Hello, hello. So I'm going to show you how to use MochiFitter, which is a Unity plugin for VRChat that will basically let you take an outfit from one base booth model, such as Celestia, and move it to another base model, such as Wolferia here. So I've already done this with one outfit. I'm going to do it with the next outfit being this Lazy Day outfit. So what you do first is you have to go buy the MochiFitter tool first, and then it'll come with a few profiles basically that will allow you to convert models back and forth. Um, but you'll have to either find them for the other models or buy them. The Wolferia one is free for a source, so I'm using that, and the Celestia converter. So first you go to Tools, you go over to MochiFitter. It'll bring up a window here, and we're going to select the object that we want to convert. So I'm going to convert Lazy Day here. It's going to go from Wolferia to Celestia. The config is already there. You can see it came with Barrel, Kikyo, Manuka, and Shishino. So any outfits that I have from these other ones, I should be able to get them to fit on here. I'm going to go ahead and, um, well, I'll grab Foothill. Wolferia doesn't have a Foothill parameter. She's kind of perpetually in heels, but if we bring over the Foothill, it might help out. We're also going to bring over the breast resizers, and we're going to go ahead and just hit execute. What those will do is basically bring over blend shapes that should match Wolferia's blend shapes. But basically there'll be parameters uh, created in the new converted model that we can then adjust and link to the body's blend shapes. So this will take a little bit. We'll just fast forward and we'll come back to this when it's done. Okay, so it has completed. It says retargeting completed successfully. We'll just hit OK. We can go ahead and get rid of this window now, and you'll see here it opens up a window with it opens up the folder with all of our retargets in it. We're just going to go ahead and grab the one that we just created. Okay, and then if we do, just go ahead and turn off the other ones that we had for the VTuber. And that looks like it lines up pretty dang well. If you want to see how it looked, if you want to see how it looks, if you don't do the resizer, I'll go ahead and turn that off. This is what it looks like without doing any kind of resizing or the Mochi fit. Doesn't really work. You can try to like make it grow and stuff, but it's still not gonna fit quite right. It's not gonna like fit over all the places and parts that need to. The refitter will actually change the FBX and get it to match the model. Don't know exactly how it does it, but it seems to work pretty well. So we're gonna go ahead and also, while we're at it, we'll just go ahead and add a new toggle to this. This is a new toggle. Turn this one on by default, but this one, we will have this new outfit. We'll go ahead and paste component as new. We'll call this Lazy Day. And this turns on. Create empty parent. I will eventually make it to where these all are individual, but we'll just go and plop that in there. And we'll target them all as a whole, and all at once these will be turned on. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and build it, and we'll go into a VRChat test world and see how it works. We'll be right back. One thing I forgot to mention is we're going to go ahead and set up modular avatar on this. So you just right click modular avatar, set up outfit, and that one, the lazy day should now be set up. Okay, on to testing in VR chat. Okay, so now we're in a VR chat testing world. I'll put a link to this world in the description if anybody's interested, but this is where I usually go to test out movement and stuff. So this is the outfit, like the customized outfit that I had, but if we go ahead and swap into the new one that I added, that'll be the lazy day one. Turn that one off, and you can see it looks pretty good. We can go ahead and go over to the motion check and kind of take a look at it. It'll go through a few motions and we can see where stuff clips. So far, that is the same clipping that we saw on Celestia, like in the armpit and stuff. It's a pretty extreme movement, so it should be fine. But yeah, it looks like it is a pretty close fit to what Celestia had as far as the fit. So there you have it. That is how we can set up a VR chat avatar to use an outfit that wasn't originally meant for them. Thank you for watching. Have fun. Bye.